guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
In today's video, I will be showing you guys my Feb favorites. I have been trying out a lot of new things this month and I thought why not just compile a video talking all about things that I've been loving. I also asked you guys on Instagram if you had any specific categories that you wanted me to talk about, and a lot of you said makeup, clothes, hair care, stationery and TV shows. I feel like this month just went by so quickly. January was super slow, but Feb was just like yada yada yada, it was over. So without further ado, we're gonna get started on my Feb favorites. So I will be starting off with clothes because this month I tried out a lot of new outfits. So the first thing we're going to talk about are fitted tops. In February, I tried a lot of these fitted tops. I got so many questions asking where I got these tops from. They're pretty much body hugging, and then underneath you can wear probably a palazzo, you can wear loose jeans, you can wear normal jeans, whatever you want to wear, but it just really accentuates your entire body and gives it a very nice silhouette. So these tops I got from H&M. I have a red, black and white one, the basics, so you can basically style them with whatever. Next, I have a few kurtis that I absolutely love. You guys keep asking me where I get most of my kurtis from, and believe me, it's from Jaipuri Adha because their collection, their styles are so good. Spring is just around the corner, so this one from Jaipuri Adha has a very nice pink color going on, which I believe is perfect for spring and summer, and the floral design is obviously to die for. This one is in the size small, and oh my god you guys, it is one of the prettiest kurtis I have ever seen. The material is cotton, so you won't feel very hot if you wear it in the summer season. And another kurti I have right here, again perfect for spring and summer, again pinkish in color, and this one has a very different neck. You can wear this very easily to college or to office, and maybe you can take a nice dupatta on top of it, wear it with cigarette pants, and that will look so pretty. In the description box, there will be a link to Jaipuri Adha's Instagram page and their website. If you want to check out more designs, just go to the website and have a look at all the amazing things that they have. Okay, let's talk about TV shows. This is my favorite because I have been binge watching a lot of Netflix. The first show I absolutely loved this month was Riverdale season 4. I have watched Riverdale season 1 through 3 and I didn't like the third season a lot. I just think it went down a lot and the storyline was just haywire. But season 4, the show picks up and it does get a lot better, and they come up with a better storyline, and it does build that sort of curiosity. I'm filming this today and I believe another episode is coming out today as well, so I do have to set my reminder and everything. But if you have been watching Riverdale and you stopped because of season 3, I would highly recommend give it some time. It does pick up and it does get a lot better as well. The next show that I highly recommend is Leela. I have been recommending it to most of my friends as well. It talks about the dystopian future and how things, the current scenario, political scenario in India, if things continue this way, how our country would look like in the future. It's a little heavy, so if you're not into those things, please don't watch it. But if you are, and if you just want to have a look, a sneak peek into what the future might be if things go the way they're happening right now, then I would highly recommend you watch that as well. I also watched Ottoman this month. It talks about what happened in Constantinople when the Ottomans and the Romans had their war going on. That got deep really fast, so let's just move out of that and talk about hair care. Now I know my hair tends to get dandruff really quickly. I don't know what it is about my hair that just attracts dandruff like anything. You guys keep asking me remedies for dandruff. Believe me, I've tried a bunch of anti-dandruff shampoos and nothing works the way this shampoo does. It's the Mamaearth tea tree shampoo with tea tree and ginger oil. I also spoke about this in a previous video, and my mom, my sister, they both have been loving this. It's so embarrassing when you're out in public and you're scratching your hair all the time, or you're just trying to pick out dandruff from your hair. The tea tree shampoo soothes the irritated and flaky scalp. It also helps with nourishing your hair, at the same time gives you an itch-free scalp, which I think is the most important part. When you're stepping out in public, you don't want to have a scalp that you're constantly itching, and it becomes so difficult to control it when you have dandruff. I know that, girls. I've been there, I've done that. So believe me, have a shampoo, have a good shampoo. Why I prefer this one over other shampoos is because it's paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested and suits all hair types. Now what causes dandruff is a fungus that basically tea tree helps fight, and ginger aids in healthier hair growth. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that help reduce free radicals and oxidative stress while repairing the damaged hair. So basically an all-in-one shampoo, and this is a part of the tea tree range. You can also try out the conditioner and the hair mask. I have those here with me as well, and overall these three products really work wonders. You can find these on Amazon, on Nykaa and on mamaearth.in, and you can use the code GROVER2020 for 20% off at mamaearth.in. But believe me girls, if dandruff is something you're suffering from, this is your solution. Also, Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use, and all their products are natural without any chemicals. Also, these products are cruelty free and have PETA certification. You can try out other shampoos and you can try this out, and you yourself tell me if you see a difference, because I'm telling you, you will. Okay, let's just talk about makeup. I have these two products to talk about. The first is a mascara. This one is the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama, a mascara that I absolutely have been loving. Just 2 coats of this looks like you've applied huge falsies. Now, I'm not the sort of person who applies falsies. I just think that they're so extra and they're not for me at all. But this just basically gives that illusion as if you've applied these long voluminous lashes. The only thing about this is it's waterproof, and I have to use a bunch of like products like coconut oil, waterproof makeup remover to get rid of this, and it takes a lot of effort, but I think it's totally worth it. The result you get is absolutely amazing. The next thing that I have been loving is the MAC Mini lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. Every time I film a video, this is the lipstick that I use, and a lot of you keep asking what lipstick are you wearing. It's always this. Always, all the time. I have a bunch of lipsticks, but the only one I use is this. If you know that this is your go-to color, then of course you can invest in a full-size MAC lipstick. If you're not sure of the shade, I would recommend just get a mini one and see how it works for you. Once again, all the product links will be down in the description box below, so if you want to buy any of these at all, make sure you check out the description box. The next thing I want to talk about is stationery, and I got a lot of good stationery from my friend who went to London very recently. This one has a very pretty opening page, and the pages inside are pretty much blank, so you can scribble, you can write your ideas. It's from a brand named Typo, and it says scribbles and sketches. Got this cloth material cover going on. The next one he got says my bucket list, and it's got pages saying good things come to those who go out and get it done, more bucket list ideas, very pretty aesthetically pleasing pages right inside. I also got an A4 journal. I wanted to use this for college, but I'm almost done with college, so I wish I could have taken this to college every day, though it looks so pretty. The next one is this register. This one is Spiral Bind, and it says I am so very busy right here. I love the way they've written this, and it's got this marble print that again looks very pretty when it comes to the flat lays. I often click pictures with this in the background. On Instagram, you can check that out. Again, from the same brand, Typo. I don't know if they ship to India, but you can definitely check out www.typo.com. So that was all of the stationery that I have been loving, and those were basically all of my February favorites. I hope you guys liked this video and you took something away from it. Just wanted to have a little chit chat and update you guys on everything that I have been loving this month. I will be doing a lot more monthly favorite videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite product and what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that always helps. Before I leave, I just want to let you guys know I go live on Instagram very often, and I answer a lot of your questions. I show you a lot of these products there as well. We do mini reviews, a lot of fun stuff. So I would love if you checked out the profile. It's right over here. Come join the family. I would love that. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.